Yep, G with a weather overview. And we got some moderate to heavy rain, and I think the bulk of it falls between about 10 p.m. tonight and 11 or 12 o'clock tomorrow, and we have a decent weekend ahead. I don't think that we're going to see much in the way of thunderstorms, which is disappointing to me because if it's going to rain in the summer, can we get a little bit of thunder here, Mother Nature, if you're listening? Anyway, so here's the National Weather Service. Like them on Facebook and Twitter, and you can see where they think the bulk of the rain is going to fall. They think the bulk of the rain is going to fall towards the coast, and that's mainly because we have a low-pressure system, a weak one, that's developing near the New Jersey coast, and it's going to ride up and over the coastal plain. So it's the bulk of the weather is going to ride up and over the coastal plain. And we'll take a look at what's going on out there now with the Intellicast.com radar. Now, for you thunderstorm fans out there, there is just nothing going on. I mean, this is just all stratiform rain. It's stratiform meaning that, it's just raining and there's no instability with it, so it just rains. So very blah, very boring kind of a rainstorm coming your way. It is going to mess with the Friday morning commute. There'll be some ponding of water on the roads, and the roads that normally do flood will flood. There aren't many flood watches out for the immediate tri-state area, but to the south of the tri-state area, there are some flood watches. So if you're heading down 95 tonight, for whatever reason, it's already raining down there, so be prepared for some delays. Now, we look at the Canadian model. I like this model. This one is a good short-term model. It worked out really well last time. So let's see what it's doing. I think it has a pretty decent representation of what's going on right now. This is the way it looks right now. It initialized a little while ago. And you can see this little enhancement that starts to happen near the coastal plain as we go throughout the night. So rain will develop from south to north from about 10 o'clock on in the immediate NYC metro area. And then by Friday morning, it'll be moderate to heavy at times before it gets out of here for Friday afternoon. So I think basically, half of the day is kind of lousy. And then the other half of the day for your Friday afternoon, Friday night, when everybody's getting out of work, looks pretty decent. So that is not too shabby if you ask me. Now, if we take a look at the GFS for the longer term, we find that this is by Saturday morning. So our little system is getting off the playing field, and that's already gone. But there's this tiny little dip in the jet stream, so there'll be a trough going by to the north on Saturday afternoon, and that could deliver a passing shower or thunderstorm. But I think most areas are pretty dry for the entire weekend. The next weather trouble that we have to worry about is Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, as we have a slow-moving frontal system coming in for Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and that will give us showers and thunderstorms from north to south starting Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night and perhaps into early Wednesday because it's kind of a slow-moving front. So that's basically it. Not a bad weekend at all. Once we get past tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, I think the rain is pretty much done by lunchtime. Weather Underground has your temperatures, not really too warm, not terribly warm in the immediate 5 to 7 days. These temperatures are right around where they should be, and you see those rain chances for Tuesday into Wednesday after we get rid of the rain chance for the rain likelihood rather for tomorrow. So there you have it. Not a bad-looking weather pattern at all. I will try to do a long-range discussion for you over the weekend, and we can look and see what July may bring us as far as the overall weather pattern is concerned.